Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, February the 10th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, Sudoku with 3 stars and 4 stars. Well, it seems those two puzzles are 2 stars. And we have 3 puzzles left, the tectonic one, binary one, and the killer Sudoku. Yes, but now it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4108. Yes, 4108. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row we have 4 ones. In a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. And between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then I need to compare. Yes, then I need to compare. Well. Can I compare with? Will be difficult. Yes. Oh, almost. How about this column and that column? Empty box. 001111001100 empty box. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Okay. Well, we have here 3 O's in the last row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules. This cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here now. So the rest are O's. Okay, compare again. Yes, we need to compare again. And we need to compare with, let me see, the columns, I believe. Yeah. Double 1 here. Double 1, double O. Double 1, double O. Ooh, difficult. Yeah. Okay, come on. It's taking too long. How about this column? Oh, wait. The last column and that column. Okay, empty box. 1100111100 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finish in 5 minutes. Okay, great. Binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.